Good day, I'm in village Palamartsa and we look at a really old house which was left from a long time, no maintain, with 1,000 square meter land, very grassy. With a little adjoining building in the side. You can see even the old fascia of the property because it's lots of grapes around, and 2 garages. Here is the joy building. You have a old kitchen and a room. The floors are matte. The roof need maintaining. Have a old cupboard on the wall, typical Bulgarian style. And from the joy building, you're going into the. Here is the basement, which we have access from the joy building with nice old beams. To see the main part of the house now. Have a nice view there to the fields. Very wide corridor and very messy. And 2 rooms. This is a wallpaper on the ceiling and plastic sheets, imitate wood. That is up there. Big size room, and that is the view from the house. The corridor is big, have cracks into the walls. There is a space for the attic. And another big room.